In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate OpenAI's ChatGPT with Wix Chat. By the end of this guide, you'll have an intelligent chatbot to enhance the customer experience on your website. So, let's dive right into the process. First, start by opening your Wix website. This, of course, should be the site where you want to add this chatbot functionality. Once you're on your Wix dashboard, look for the App section. It's typically located on the left-hand sidebar of your editor interface and is where you'll find numerous tools and enhancements that can help you customize your website. After clicking on the App section, your next stop will be the App Market. The App Market is the place where you can explore a wide variety of applications that can add value to your site in various ways. To find the specific application we're interested in today, navigate to the search bar within the App Market. In this search bar, you're going to type in ChatGPT. This step is crucial because it helps you locate the right application that will make it possible to integrate the advanced features of ChatGPT into your Wix Chat. Once you've entered ChatGPT and pressed Enter, you should see an option that says ChatGPT Bases Conversation. Click on that option to learn more about what the app offers and to begin the integration process. Before proceeding, you'll want to review the information provided to understand what this app does and how it operates within the Wix environment. Once you're satisfied and ready to proceed, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions presented. It's a good practice to read through these terms, or at least skim them, to ensure they align with your needs and expectations. After agreeing to the terms, the final step is simply to click Add. This action will start the process of integrating ChatGPT with your Wix Chat. It may take a few moments, but once complete, you'll have successfully added this powerful AI tool to your website. Your visitors will now be able to engage in meaningful conversations through your site's chat feature, all powered by ChatGPT. By doing this, you're not only improving their experience, but also potentially increasing engagement and satisfaction. And that's it. It's really as straightforward as it sounds. With just a few clicks, you've integrated ChatGPT with Wix Chat, enhancing your website's capability and functionality. Remember, this tool can significantly improve how you interact with your audience by providing timely and intelligent responses. If you encounter any issues during the setup or have additional questions, Wix's support resources are a great place to find solutions. I hope you found this video helpful and that you enjoy the benefits of having a smart chatbot on your site. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.